Welcome to Autodesk Forma, the cloud-based planning and design software that helps architects and planners answer the big questions. How do we make the cities of tomorrow? Make sustainable neighborhoods? Make deadlines on time and on budget? Make sure increasingly complex projects make it over the line? How do we make sure architects keep making their mark? Forma puts data-driven insights at your fingertips, helping you make fast, smart decisions while designing. Because when you make use of better inputs, it makes for better outcomes. So when you ask, how can we maximize the sunlight? Forma makes it possible to shed light on your project from every angle. How loud is the noise from traffic and rail? Listen to what the data is telling you. Can fresh air reach every corner of every space? With the right data, making quick changes is a breeze. How do you explore more options for every site? Make and make over in real time. And then, make spaces that work for everyone. Need to collaborate and share with multiple parties? Cloud-based projects invite input from all sides, making collaboration a walk in the park. Want to raise the bar on sustainability? It's easy being greener when you can make changes in an instant. Forma is ready to empower and accelerate your processes so you can start making projects digitally from day one. Make, test, and streamline your planning and designs. Autodesk Forma. Make tomorrow's cities. Make anything.